Hi, Janie Rothfield here. I'm very excited to be teaching a series of Clawhammer Banjo classes for the Susquehanna Folk Music Society coming up in June. I hope that you'll join me. I'll be teaching lots of different techniques, get you playing nice and quick, help you with your speed. You're going to learn all sorts of things like pull-offs and hammer-ons and chords and drop thumb and ghosting and all sorts of fun things, as well as learning a bunch of different tunes and some different kinds of tunings. So I just wanted to give you a little sampling of one of the tunes I'll be teaching. It's called New Jordan, and it's a wonderful little tune from the playing of Uncle Norm Edmonds. And it's in the key of D, and I'll just play a little bit for you right now. See you soon.